Sunt skate ja Ilkan salpa.
Today it's 9th of September 2021. We have Raappavuorenkuja, Skalapabergskön, and one staircase here. This residential building has just 2 staircases. We'll go to the staircase B as well. This one lights up even. There's 4 persons for 320 grams. It has 6 wash and P8 fixtures, and this top of my buttons are of the S6 type. So it was built in early 1974, turned 45 years old in 2019. The serial number is H31009, and now let's ride it. Amazing. Now it was slower after all, but still amazing.
Yeah.
It we expected this year, 2021. It just sounded like it was faster. But it's slow. But it still deserves 2 rides.
Mm.
I don't know why it sounded like it was faster. Yeah, and I forgot to say it's in Martinlaakso, modernized dance in Vantaa. Vantaa in the Helsinki Helsingfors region of Finland. It seems like there's some dust on this button.
Yeah.
Because nobody has pressed it for a long time. And needed to press it.
Yeah. Tippaa kiva, jos mä eteenpäin, ei Suomi hyssirakoilla.
Okay, now that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Let's go to the sticky speed. They're open during the daytime.
Yeah. That's